In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to do plumbing for a shower, so you can handle your bathroom project like a pro without calling in a plumber right away. Alright, first up, you gotta know your shower's water supply lines. You'll usually deal with hot and cold water pipes, so make sure you turn off the main water valve before you start messing around. Trust me, nobody wants a mini indoor pool situation. Next, pick the right pipes for your setup. Copper or PEX are solid choices because they're durable and pretty easy to work with. When you're connecting the pipes, use proper fittings and make sure to tighten everything just right so there are no leaks later on. Also, don't forget about installing a shower valve that mixes the hot and cold water correctly. This keeps your shower temp steady and comfortable. When it's time to drain the water, the shower drain pipe needs to slope downwards slightly to help water flow out smoothly. A good rule is about 1/4 inch of drop per foot of pipe. You'll also want to install a P-trap under the drain to stop sewer gases from sneaking up into your bathroom. Lastly, test everything after you're done, turn the water back on slowly, and check for leaks at every joint to catch any issues early. One of the biggest mistakes people make when doing shower plumbing is not shutting off the main water supply before starting, which can lead to serious flooding. Another common issue is forgetting to use plumber's tape on threaded connections, causing leaks that are annoying to fix later on. The third one is ignoring the proper slope for drain pipes, which can cause slow drainage or clogs. Fixing this just means adjusting the pipe angle so water flows freely. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making projects way less stressful. It's also a great spot for contractors looking to find new jobs and grow their business by reaching more folks in their area. If you want more tips or need help finding someone legit for your next project, Big Home Projects has your back.